Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Guys, Solana dropping, obviously here, but are we going to see a move back up? And were we able to predict this drop? If you guys were to be watching our charts and our indicators, could you have guys made money? And you guys could have. I'll show you guys how you would have been able to do that with our analysis today. Okay, guys, we're currently sitting at 102 for 102 wins in our Telegram channel, or based off the program that we're using. I'm using a little bit different format here. We get to look at the beach in the background too, which is kind of cool. So we're 102 for 102 wins. We've never lost a trade on YouTube. Our strategy's never lost a trade, and we are currently in a trade at the moment on Solana, where our first buy limit was hit here on December 3rd. Our second was over here on December 3rd and December 3rd, the same day, on a crash. Then we had our third buy limit hit, and we're waiting for our fourth buy limit to get hit, and we're in this trade. A fourth buy limit hit for us, guys, would be very, very beneficial, because this is going to actually bring our break-even entry down even further to give us a better entry. So let's get into the analysis today. We obviously saw a drop here from Solana yesterday, but the big thing that I want to start focusing on these videos, guys, is how are you going to make cash? How are you going to watch these videos and actually prepare yourself to make some money? And then we're going to actually go over the Solana metrics today and actually show you guys how to get into a trade setup you can take right now to give you a really good chance of making money on this dip. So let's start here, guys. I want to look at this. The price versus the well money flow. When the well money flow in green is very high in the market and trend exhaustion is high, this is where we expect to see drops in the market. It happens so many times, in the amount of, they call it the Energizer Bunny, like over and over and over again. Like we say this over and over again. When the trend exhaustion is high and the well money flow is high, that's where we're looking for drops down. We're calling the drop on Ethereum yesterday, and we ended up getting the drop. Why? Because trend exhaustion was high, well money flow is high. So although we do not short on this channel and with our program, I want to show you guys who are interested in shorting how you can use this. It is simply like this. Trend exhaustion and well money flow in the top sections. You're looking for trend exhaustion up here. Well money flow high. This is where you guys are looking for that drop back down, okay? These metrics were updated yesterday at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and this morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is in about 55 minutes here, you guys are going to see these update for today. Let me show you how these metrics called this drop yesterday so you guys could have made money. Because what you're going to do in today's analysis, when you guys are on the charts today, you're going to look at what the current setup is to get into a trade, because it's a very good one for a long trade, okay? What you're going to do is go over to the tradeconfident.io website, and you're just going to stay on the front page, and you're going to scroll straight down to whatever you want to look at for that day. And today we're obviously going to be talking about Solana, so let's go into Solana here. So we're going to click the Solana charts, and let's open it up. Okay, the emotional index, look at this, guys. I'm going to show you what this looks like. This was yesterday at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which put us right around this top area here, okay? This was showing us that retail traders are very excited. Very excited, all right? When retail traders are excited, this is where wealth institutions love to short the market. And this is also where our trend exhaustion was very high and our price versus well money flow is high, looking for that move back down. You guys who got over here, let me pull out the drawing panel real quick for us here. Those of you who got into this trade and you guys, were looking for a short position up here and you guys are following the trend exhaustion, you didn't get in at the top. There's no way you got in at the top, but you are sitting right now at about, let me get the price range out here. My apologies. Look at the price range here. You guys are sitting at right now probably in the profit of about 11 to maybe 12% that you can realize right now. If you're shorting, most likely you're probably using some leverage. I do not suggest you guys use leverage, but you may be up about 12 to 24% right now just by using these indicators to look for that drop, and that's a short trade. Now, I would highly look at getting out of this and taking some profit. The reason for that is the trend exhaustion is so low down here that I am expecting to see a move back up here pretty soon. So I want you guys just to be aware of that, okay? I'm just going to close the drawing panel for now. Let's move over here. What else can we see? Long trades for short trades. Yesterday, what did you guys see over here that happened, which was a precursor to the drop in Solana? Okay? Short trades increasing, long trades decreasing. Do you guys see that? Or right over here, short trades increasing, long trades decreasing. I'll take this off so you guys can see this here. That was a precursor that when the market was going up here, long trades were not confident that we're going to keep going up. They actually moved out of the market. And short trades increased, which actually ended up taking us back down, okay? Look at this, trades in favor. We were seeing over here that yesterday we were pushed up into the great short trade and good short trade area. This told us that this was a great place to take a short trade yesterday, all right? Are you guys following me? You guys understand how the metrics that we use over here in these charts are keeping you guys safe and making you pure money. This is how we trade this. Yesterday, if you were following this, not only did the trend exhaustion call the top, as well as the well money flow, but also the well institutional smart money metric out here came out here with a huge metric to the downside for short trades for smart money wells and institutions. This showed us that there was pressure in the market for a move back down, and that's exactly what we ended up getting. Okay? Do you guys see this? It's all coming together now. Support and resistance prices. Okay, now that we're down this area about $96, we're pushed down into this area right about here, okay? I do believe we could see this nice little bounce back up here because we're at strong structure support right here. So what I'm watching for now is that the trend exhaustion is low here and the well money flow is starting to move down here a little bit. I'm looking for this reversal back up here within the next 24 hours, okay? Back up here to do something like this. Now, these metrics are going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. They're going to be updated for today based off this drop. So now you can actually watch to see what wealth institutions are doing literally live this morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time when these update, okay? Coming down here, dollar cost average entries. If you guys, are in the market and you're like, hey, I just want to hold for the long term, $10,000, $20,000, whatever, and you want to put $1,000 into each green line, awesome, you guys can do that. Those metrics come out every day as well for you guys. And then every day as well, guys, look at the exit points yesterday. Barely seeing a drop down here. So this called it right over here. It didn't call it at the top. I want to be completely honest, guys. It did not call at the top. You can see that over here. But right on this drop, before we actually saw the biggest decrease, our metrics called the drop. This is how you guys can either get out of long trades that you're in and take some profit, or you can switch over to short trades if you would like and trade to the downside. Okay, now let me move straight into this today because this is going to update as well. Based off all of this, I want you guys to look at the metrics this morning because I do believe we're going to start looking a little bit more bullish this morning. And I think we're actually going to see the trades in favor come down here into the neutral section. And we're also going to probably see the short trades decrease a little bit. And we're, even on an emotional index perspective, we'll probably see this push back down to neutral, maybe even anxious based off this drop here. So I believe it is a great time to get a long trade set up on Solana right now. So what you guys can do on this exact same page, scroll all the way down, you guys seamlessly go straight into a long trade. So I'm actually going to show this to you guys down here today. So what you guys can do, because these are updated of yesterday, you want to refresh this and start this morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, because these are from yesterday. You're going to basically look at this chart here and say, all right, if you want to get into the trades, guys, like we do, we've never lost a crypto trade ever. We are using this risk management strategy. You are simply going to choose the amount you want to enter Solana with. Let's just say it's $1,000. You're going to take this $1,000. You're going to split it into 4 equal portions, so $250 each, and you're going to place $250 at each of the 4 buy limits. 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys can see them right there, okay? On the website, obviously, this is huge and it's expanded so you can see that, okay? Once the first buy limit is hit, you guys are simply just going to set your sell limit up here in green for 100% exit. Now, once you guys do that, you want to come down here and simply just get into the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits for all the coins. That's what you guys saw in the beginning. This is the Telegram channel over here. All the exits, all of the master classes that I'm posting over here, all of the live Zoom calls we're going to be doing together as a family, the hangout sessions are going to be posted over here. All that's going to be posted there, okay? Make sure you guys are getting into that. Now, the indicators I taught you guys about today, about how to call this drop here and how we're looking for this move back up, you want to get these on your charts. This is how we're exiting. So if you guys come up here to the top and you click under indicators, this is the deal on the indicators right now. You guys want to get these 3 right here. It's the price risk, well money flow, trend dashboard, and trend exhaustion. These 3 right here that we're talking about, okay? Trend dashboard today, we're looking at the retail traders being really confused. We've got some green and some red. That's why I didn't really go over it. I wanted us to pay attention to this here for this morning, okay? But you guys get all those 3 indicators on our website. The best thing to do today, though, is to actually get the bundle pack because this is actually going to give you guys 82% off all the indicators instead of, 40 to 60% off. So you're saving yourself around 42 to 22% on the indicators by just getting the bundle pack, okay? And once you guys have those, you get them for life, and you no one can take these away from you guys. You get the source code for as long as you want them, okay? You also get 9 indicators. You get everything you see right here instead of just the ones that you guys, the ones that you guys get to copy my charts. You get 9 of them on top of that. So it really is the best deal. I'll leave the link to this in the description of this YouTube video, as well as I'll pin it to the first comment. Okay, the last thing I want to show you guys up here, our pricing here for the membership of what you guys are seeing, the charts that you're seeing, how we're getting into trades, all the buy limits, everything you saw, guys. This is what traders are using, and they're doing extremely well. We only charge $49 a month for this, and we're going to be upping this price to $95 a month February 25th. So make sure you guys are getting in here and you're locking this in. You get access to the Telegram channel, access to the inner circle, and the master class. So up here underneath the inner circle, we're going to start coming out with live Zoom sessions, so you guys can actually join me on Zoom, and we'll talk about the markets, and we'll do open Q&A sessions. This is going to be extremely relaxed, guys. Like, I may even just I don't even know. Just I'm gonna be chilling. Okay, we may have we may have a day where just like bring your favorite drink and we'll get on Zoom and we'll just talk about the markets and chat. It'll be like really fun hangouts to get good wisdom of the markets, and that's gonna start in March. The masterclass trainings that you guys really want to be taking over here are already available. So when you guys click this on the website for our members only, you guys can watch this masterclass I just did about how to inject $14,000 into the market and how to use the equator strategy, which gives you guys even more money into the market than what you guys see me using over here with 4 buy limits. I also have another masterclass for you guys that's came out yesterday of how to master your emotions and thought patterns to win more trades. That is a video you absolutely have to watch, comparing the dumb money versus the smart money. So guys, just want to show you guys everything you guys get with your membership. So make sure you guys are coming over here, get the indicators in the description before those go up in price, the bundle pack, and make sure you guys are locking in your membership over here because this is how we're diving in. So guys, even on your phone today, if you want to just be walking around and you're like, okay, I wonder what should I do today? Should I enter trade or should I exit? Simply go over to tradeconfident.io, go to the front page, choose whatever coin you want to get into. Like Solana, click it right here, look at the metrics, see if they're bullish or bearish of what's happening, and then you guys can scroll straight down and you can take a trade right now and use incredible risk management. And all these buy limits here are placed at support and resistance, they're Fibonacci retracements, they're bot levels, they are quarters theory, they're whole levels, they're bank levels. Guys, these levels here, just copy them. That's all you have to do, and you can start trading with us and have really good risk management and use the indicators to exit. And if you have any questions, just literally continue to scroll down to the bottom and you can watch the video of how to trade our whole setup. So guys, I'm really excited about this new format that we have. I think it's just a lot easier for us to get in, assess what we want to do, and immediately take trades and make some money in the market. So guys, those of you who had our charts yesterday, good job. You could have done this on every single one of our coins here. All of our coins that we trade here, you can check the charts right now and start getting into trades and make wiser decisions of how to trade the markets with TradeConfident.io's charts, okay? God bless you guys. I'll see you in the next video. If this does head down a little bit further here, this will actually be very nice because we'll get our 4th buy limit hit, break even entry will move down, and then we'll actually make even more money when we start going back up. So wanted to give that to you guys. I am going to be watching this morning for a move back up. I'm just letting you guys know this. I am watching for the move back up, and it looks bullish, in my opinion, for Solana. So keep your eyes on the Solana charts this morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. They're all going to update, and these metrics will give you guys updated data. So make sure you guys are subscribed over here and you check that before you make your trading decisions. All right, guys, I love you. God bless you. I'll see you in the next video, and have a good one, guys. Bye.